How can you avoid installing any software on Agent PCs for Cisco Finesse? One of the best features of cloud call centers is to avoid installing anything on Agent PCs. It eliminates lots of overhead and helps to integrate with outsource partners seamlessly as well. Is that possible on Cisco Finesse? Can you have VPN-less Cisco Finesse login, including the Webphone, and run everything on your network? The answer is yes. CompSys can help to set that up so that your agents can have a Webphone gadget inside their Finesse pages. Everything is hosted on your network, so you can have a secure communication with your agents. This helps to avoid going to a shared cloud service with high costs and high downtimes, because customer service is too much of a responsibility to hand over fully to a third party. Check out compsys.com/finesse to learn more and request a demo.